Yo guys, it's Chris again, and today's video I'm going to be talking about pixel tap by Pixelverse. I'm going to be showing guys like the basic things you should know on the pixel tap by Pixelverse. Okay, it's not going to waste your time. I'm going to go straight to the point so you get it as quick as possible. Okay, so the first part I'm going to show you guys is the fight area. Okay, the fight area, you can fight against a friend and you can fight randoms. Okay, when you fight against your friend, it will show you a link that you can copy and send it to your friend that you want to fight against, and once your friend taps that link, it's going to direct him straight to the game, and you also is going to pop up on your screen for you to accept the fight or not. Okay, so it's as simple as that. When you fight against random, it's going to show you, it's going to find an opponent for you, okay, around the globe. People playing the pixel tap, it's going to find an opponent and you play against him or her. Okay, so that is the basic thing you should know about the fight area. So the fight area is pretty basic. It's just you follow the flow of the game, and that is it for it. Okay, so no stress in that. Then for this part, you just have to make sure that you claim as frequent as possible, and that is all. And you come here and claim your daily reward as frequent as possible as well. And your daily combo, a daily combo card comes out every day. I'm going to be leaving a video about that, so be sure to subscribe and like this video so that whenever I leave a daily combo video, you're going to be early and you're going to have access to it as quick as possible. Okay, so for now, that is all for pixel tap by Pixelverse. Subscribe and like. I'm going to be leaving you guys with more information day by day. Okay, so subscribe, turn on your bell notification, and you can explore the channel because I upload different type of videos, not only cryptocurrency video but gaming video as well. So explore the channel and subscribe and stay focused. Okay, peace.